Smoking has a detrimental effect on muscle growth and maintenance, according to research from the Copenhagen Muscle Research Centre. The study compared muscle cells from the quadriceps of 8 smokers and 8 non-smokers. Results showed that smokers' muscle tissue breaks down more rapidly than non-smokers. The key finding was that smokers produce higher levels of myostatin, a hormone that inhibits muscle growth. This discovery has important implications for understanding age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. As populations in Western countries grow older, sarcopenia is becoming increasingly common. Researchers are actively seeking ways to help older adults maintain muscle strength and mass. The Danish study specifically examined how smoking impacts muscle cells at a cellular level. All smoker participants consumed over 20 cigarettes daily, while non-smokers were matched for age. Neither group engaged in regular exercise. To track amino acid absorption and muscle protein synthesis, researchers administered labeled leucine before taking muscle cell samples. Analysis revealed that while smokers' cells absorbed amino acids normally, their overall rate of muscle protein synthesis was lower. This indicates smoking interferes with the body's ability to build and maintain muscle tissue. Interestingly, inflammatory factors like TNF-alpha-CRP and interleukin-6 were not elevated in smokers' blood. The activity of the TNF-alpha gene in muscle cells was also unchanged. This suggests inflammation is not the primary mechanism behind smoking's catabolic effect on muscle. The researchers concluded that smoking strongly inhibits the cellular machinery responsible for muscle protein synthesis. For individuals looking to build or maintain muscle mass, quitting smoking should be a top priority. The study highlights how lifestyle factors like smoking can have profound effects on body composition and muscle health beyond just the lungs and cardiovascular system. These findings have implications for athletes, bodybuilders, and older adults concerned about muscle loss. Quitting smoking may help improve muscle growth and retention. For smokers struggling to quit, incorporating strength training could potentially offset some negative effects while also increasing the likelihood of successful smoking cessation. Overall, this research underscores the wide-ranging health benefits of avoiding or quitting smoking. It provides yet another compelling reason for smokers to seek help in breaking the habit. Non-smokers should view these results as further motivation to avoid picking up the habit. Anyone concerned about maintaining muscle mass and strength, particularly as they age, should prioritize avoiding tobacco use as a key part of their health strategy.